Quince seeds. Quince is a plant. The seed is used as medicine. People take quince as a powder, extract, or tea for digestive disorders including stomach and intestinal pain, gastrointestinal inflammation, as well as diarrhea. Quince is also used for cough. Are quince seeds poisonous? Quince fruit seeds are poisonous and should not be eaten. The seeds contain nitriles, which are common in the seeds of the rose family. In the stomach, enzymes or stomach acid, or both, cause some of the nitriles to be hydrolyzed and produce hydrogen cyanide, which is a volatile gas. What does quince do for skin? Quince has long been praised for its ability to control allergic reactions. When applied as a salve or gel on the skin, it can benefit atopic dermatitis and similar skin conditions. The high levels of vitamin C also help to control inflammation and improve the health and appearance of your skin. Is quince fruit good for diabetes? It can be therefore suggested that quince fruit could be a potential source of hypolipidemic agent S, and it can be used in the management of hyperlipidemia in diabetic patients. Is quince good for kidneys? Oblonga Miller leaf decoction supplement exhibited milder glomerular and tubular injuries. It is therefore plausible that quince leaf has a protective effect on the kidneys.